Welcome to a gentle movement session where we want to balance our energy as well as create balance so that we can have ultimate trust and confidence in our bodies. Today, move with me very gently, very mindfully. We're just beginning by bringing our knee up, reach your hands up, back, down. Begin to stretch out your shoulders, your upper back. Gently bringing the knee over, gradually, just a little bit, each and every movement. A slight twist. As always, move in ways that truly nourish you. We're continuing to focus on living naturally, moving naturally, and we can connect our breath to each and every movement. It's going to help us get out of the monkey mind. Start to notice those self-deprecating thoughts. That's not me. And letting those thoughts pass on by. We'll use the beautiful sounds of the birds today to help us to connect to the here and now. Just notice the sounds, not the noise. We can choose if they're beautiful or not. Okay. Let's move to the side just a little bit, up onto the balls of your feet. And when you come to the edge, the most gentle of twists, hands up nice and high. Doing balancing exercises is wonderful and highly encouraged. But really the best thing you could do to create balance on a daily basis is to get out for walks on uneven surfaces. Find ground that undulates, that helps us to engage the core. Natural, living, natural ways to create balance. Okay. Drive your heel into the ground, bend, and come on up. Stand tall, other side. When you stand tall, breathe in deeply. Exhale, let it go. Breathe in and let it go. Feel that beautiful stretch through the back of your leg. But truly, connect your breath here and now. And notice when you breathe deeply in and when you exhale, maybe you sink just a little deeper on the exhale each time. Let's go. Now let's really stretch things out. We're going to step behind into a curtsy squat. And if possible, can you bring your hand down to the ground? Leg comes back. Bring that knee all the way down if you can. Do your very best. Just notice. Last one to each side. Hold it for a moment down there. Hold it. Feel that beautiful stretch. And to the other side. Hold it for a moment. Ah, well done. Arms come up, overhead. Breathe in, exhale. Knee comes up. Bring your hands down. And to the other side. Arms up, breathe in deeply. Other knee comes up, exhale. In and out. In and out. Breathe in deeply. Exhale. Find a flow. The Arctic terns do not seem particularly impressed with us being here today. You would have thought the squirrels would have told them something, that we're all right. Get real long, arms up, let it all go. Last one to each side. Let's hold that leg up for an extra moment. Just hold it. Maybe you could circle the ankle. Let's create a little mobility while we're here. Why not, eh? Other side. Ooh. All right. Having a challenging balancing day. How wonderful. A very simple side bend. Feel that beautiful stretch in the obliques and the side body. And just shift your weight from side to side. Pay real close attention as you slide your hand down your leg. Just notice. Fully present movement. Breathe deeply into one side, stretch it all out, and exhale. The longest one yet. Reach, 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 reach. Stretch it all out. Exhale, other side. Reach, reach, reach. Let it all go. Narrow your stance. Hinge at the hips, bend forward, bring your hands together. Inhale, rise up. Get very big. Look up to the sky. Breathe in deeply. Exhale, let it all out. Bend down as deep as you can. Bring your hands together. Rise up on a big inhale. Float it all down on the exhale. Just move with real presence, connecting to your breath, and just notice every single movement. Feel your lungs expanding as you breathe in and contracting on the exhale. I invite you for the last few, if it feels right, to close your eyes, to change the dynamic completely, It truly does help us with our balance when we move sometimes with our eyes closed. Give it a try. Just notice, maybe move a little bit more slowly. Widen your stance possibly, that might help you feel a little steadier. One more all together. Breathe in deeply. Exhale, let it go. Breathe in, and let's just hold it together. Suspend the breath, look to the sky. Reach back as far as possible. Shake that all out. Oh, thank you for joining and moving with me today. If you'd like to stick around for a few moments, just gonna let the sounds of the environment and just notice. Just a little quiet contemplation, just to be in this moment. And recognizing that there's always distractions around us. Noticing the distraction and bringing the attention right back to the present moment. To the breath, if you will. Maybe you wanna just shift from side to side if that feels right, or stand tall. You decide. I do invite you to close your eyes and just notice what is. I may have got lost in that one. How wonderful. It's all meditation is. The mind wanders, we notice. We come back to whatever our focal point is. People say, I can't meditate. It's too hard. Yeah, no kidding. That's why we keep practicing. Just keep showing up for yourself and find ways to continue to live naturally, move naturally through your day. I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.